The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for the Ishares 20-year Treasury bond ETF with the ticker symbol TLT. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. Here we have another weekly review of TLT that is done Saturdays. So let's take a look at the daily chart and figure out what has happened and what can occur next. Well, it looks like the last time I did my analysis was back on Thursday, April 6th. Prices closed at the 108.53. So this looked like an impulse higher to break out of this formidable resistance at the 109 level, but it failed. You can see the macro pattern is a range pattern. And if you drag this down, you can see how well it's holding price. So the bulls keep on failing to break out of this 109 level. And looks like prices went down. So where is it going now? It looks like it's probably going to come back to this prior support. Looks like we could be inside of a smaller range, this red one right here. So since we hit the top of this small range, we can go back to the bottom, which is right around the 103.83 level. So let's see if that will act as support. If it does, we are still in for another impulse higher. So this could be the first leg higher, and this could be the second leg right here. So that's if we get a nice reaction off the lows of this range back above the EMA. There could be a long setup right here. However, let's just say we keep on rushing through, then we might just see prices fill in this gap and reach the low opposite side of the yellow range, and we probably want to see prices break it, see a couple attempts up that fail to drop down lower. So that's how traders are looking at it. They don't care if the market's going up or down. They can go long or short. So once they see prices fail to do something, then that's when they will enter. So if prices break this level, fail to go up a couple of times, like a double test of this prior support, that will turn to resistance. Then they're probably gonna go short to target the lower side of the range. Let's say we don't even do that at all, and like I said before, we just get a bounce right here back above the EMA. They might just be entering to take a position towards the top of the range, and they might hold on to some to see if they can finally break out to reach this measure move target at the 114 level. So I think that's how traders are looking at it. We're kind of just going sideways because we have kind of like the bulls and bears played out, meaning you can see there was this prior downtrend and uptrend in play. This was the prior downtrend in play, and this was the prior uptrend in play. Let me go ahead and fix that. So after a break of a channel, we can expect 2 attempts at that previous extreme. So prices made 1 attempt down to retest this previous low of the downtrend. However, the uptrend had a break too, so then prices went up to retest the previous high of the uptrend. So sellers tried one more time to reach the lows. They failed, but the bulls had one more chance, and they gave it one more chance to the top, and they failed too. So right now we're just stuck inside of this red range because there's some indecision. It's pretty much fair game for both sides of the party now. So we'll have to wait and see what the market wants to do. But like I said before, if we see a drop through this support, then we're probably going to see a failure. Or if we just see we could see a fake breakout. But I'm saying if we break through it and we come back up to retest it for resistance, we could see another move down towards the lows. If we come back to this level and see a nice green bar and back above the EMA closes, that could be a sign that we could be seeing higher prices. So that's everything I have for TLT. Basically, I would suspect this week or next week prices to be contained inside of this red range, and we'll go from there. But those are the situations I'm looking at for TLT. Now here is the weekly. Here's the weekly chart for TLT, and you can see that prices are just really struggling to break through that resistance level at the 109 price level, and there's strong support at the lows. The good thing for TLT is that it was trading near the upper bounds, so this could just be a 2-legged pullback for another leg higher. You can see this was one small drop, prices went up, we can make another small drop, two legs back, could be the center of the pattern for another leg higher. So we'll see if that occurs. Like I'm saying before, that lows of that red range needs to hold for prices to be supported, to be sent higher. If we just break it, then most likely this orange range is taking precedence over everything, and we're just going to be probably retesting the lows again at the $100 level. So we'll have to wait and see what TLT wants to do. But there is this upward bias to the chart. You can see if I connect the swings, this fits pretty good against the price. However, it's not confirmed. We only have 2 touches on this trend line. These 2 right here is just 1, so that's 1, 2, and prices are coming back towards it. So we'll see if this trend line can hold 2, and that might be the catalyst that will send prices up. But we'll have to wait and see. It's not confirmed. If we just break right through it, then you could just take it off the chart because it didn't come into play. So that's how I'm looking for TLT. I'm looking for that support to hold. If it does, we're going higher. If we break it, I'll be looking for a trap for the longs for the prices to drop lower. So that's all I have for TLT this week, Saturday. Thank you for stopping by and checking my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel since you might be surprised at what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.